Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe is easy quick oats. It's a very healthy breakfast. I have it every morning and also I love it. I love the taste of it and it also helps you to maintain weight. So let's have a look at the ingredients first. So here I have taken 4 to 5 tablespoons of quick oats, 1 cup of yogurt or curd, some chopped dry fruits, and also I'm using some flax seeds powder. So first of all, we'll boil the oats for a couple of minutes without adding any salt or sugar, anything. So when the oats come to a boil, just lower the flame and also keep stirring it in between, otherwise it might get burned from the bottom. So keep that in mind. So after boiling it for 5-6 minutes, now you can see it is cooked. We can switch off the flame and we'll take it in a bowl. So I have taken it in a bowl and I have let it cool down for a couple of minutes, and now I'm going to add the curd. After adding the curd, I'm going to add the flax seeds powder. So here I have taken half tablespoon of flax seeds powder, and now I'm going to add the chopped dry fruits. So after adding the dry fruits, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. You can add honey as per your taste. I have added 1 tablespoon of it and it tastes really awesome. Trust me guys, it's very healthy and it's very tasty. So now since we have added all the ingredients, I'm going to mix it well. And you can see after mixing it well, it looks so yummy and tasty. And trust me, it is actually, you will love it. And now I'm going to add some chopped dry fruits on top of it. And you can make the similar recipe with milk instead of curd. But in that case, you will have to boil the oats in milk itself instead of boiling it with water. I'll share that recipe soon enough with you guys. But till then, keep subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from my channel. And if you have liked this video, do let me know in the comment section below. And thanks for supporting my channel. Thanks a lot for watching this.